Hey guys, what's up? This is a new Android Studios tutorial. So this tutorial is really to get you started on Java programming in general, Android Studios, how to use Android Studios, the basics of it, and yeah, we're gonna familiarize ourselves a lot more with how Android Studio works. And so if you are completely new to Android Studios and programming, then this is a tutorial for you. Okay, we're gonna do more about how Android Studio works, and Android Studios is mostly used to power apps on your phone. Okay, so if you are looking to make mobile apps or on Android devices, then this is the place to go. If you want to make iOS apps, right, you'd have to use a different software. All right, Android Studios is for Android phones and any phone that runs Android only. So yeah, it's native to Android. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you first have to download Android Studios, okay, and then if you've downloaded Android Studios, you can follow along with this tutorial. Okay, so let's do this. Once you've downloaded Android Studios, you launch Android, okay, and you can start with this tutorial. So I have yet to come up with a tutorial on how to download Android Studios. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how to download Android Studios, you all can put it in the comments, okay, and then I might do a video on that. Yeah, so with this tutorial we will really just dive right in. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna name my application anything you want. Alright, so we're gonna call it familiar with Android Studios. You can call it anything you want. Okay, sorry about that. Click next. Okay, then click next. Okay, select empty activity. Click next. Main activity, you can name it whatever you want. We're just gonna keep the name. I'm just gonna keep this name. So click finish and wait for it to load. So it will take a while to load, but once it's loaded, it's fast. Yep. Let me just close this. It's my previous project. You can see there's still running here, 2 processes and still syncing. So we wait for it. It's a bit slow today. This tutorial will only guide you through how to use like all the functionalities in Android Studios and all the small little things. Less about Java. If you want more about Java, I have a Java tutorial for you that's coming up. So yeah, just have to wait for that. It's a bit slow, isn't it? You can fast forward the video if you think it's a bit long. If you don't want to wait. Okay, it's loaded. So as you can see down here, the build is completed successfully. There's no loading here at the bottom. So we know that everything is completed. Okay, so first thing on Android Studios. Okay, first we want to just close this bar, lower this bar. Okay, so click here to close the bar. Okay, next, make sure down here is selected project. Okay, project. You can close and open this tab. Okay, by clicking here, and make sure this is Android. Okay, I don't want project, I don't want packages, I want Android. Okay, alright. So first, in Android series, if you want to open up a new file, you can go under new and then new project. If you want to import a file you already have, you can import the project. Okay, yeah, those are the two common functions. We'll only go through the common functions here in Android. If you want to open a project file you've previously been working on, you can click. Okay, and yep, if you want to exit Android, is here. Okay, so yep, these are the common things we do here in file. For edit, we don't really use the functions here. Okay, for view, okay, so if you have windows that are missing, for example, say you want to see the logcat, you can select it. Okay, and it comes up. The logcat will help you show your errors. Okay, but we'll do that. We'll go through how to use that in another video. We'll go through how to do that in another video. And so, okay. Alright, if you are facing any problems with your Gradle build when it's starting up, you can click clean project, and then you can click rebuild project after that, and then make project. Okay, that will help to like reset the building of Android Studios as you launch the app. Okay, so if everything is alright for you, then we'll carry on. Alright, so here on the left we have under Android you have apt, manifest, Java. Okay, so these two files, Java, manifest, these are important files. Alright, we need to know where these files are. So manifest, okay, you need to know where this file is. Alright, you can open it up. This is we'll go through that in a minute. And Java files are important. So if you accidentally close your Java file, you can find your Java file here under Java, app, Java, the first one, and then you can double click this and it will come up like this. So let's do that again. Okay, close and open up. Alright, so okay, so that's where your Java file is. You have to know where your Java file is located. Alright, and for this file, XML, it's located here in the resource. Alright, so under resource, layout, XML, here. So this is where your Java file and XML files are located. Okay, so let's go into XML. So here in the XML page, right, you basically use this page to build your user interface. Alright, so anything you want the user to see on this page, you will throw it into this XML page. For example, let's say I wanted them to see a button. Okay, and just drag and drop it in. Okay, and I can rename the button to, I don't know, whatever you want. Click me and press enter. As you can see, it changed. Okay, so you can change the attributes, the color, the size of the button here on the left. Okay, under attributes. Oops. And so here the attribute, the button has these attributes, and if you want to see all the things you can do with the button, you can click view more attributes. Okay, view all attributes. Here you can see. Yep. And but these are the common attributes that we work with, so you generally don't need to view more attributes. If not, we usually edit it here, but we'll go through what this is in a minute. So here in the button, your button, every button has to have an ID, so you know the computer will, Android Studios will know which button you are referring to. Are you referring to the first button, the second button, the third button? So every button has a unique ID. Okay, it's like your birth number, birth certificate number. Okay, so every button has a unique ID. Okay, you can specify the width and the height here of the button. So let's say I wanted the button to be 150 dps across. You can see the width changed accordingly, and say I wanted to do the same for the height.